Hello guys, welcome back with me again at this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply filter or color grading to all your edits in CapCut. So if you guys didn't know how to apply it to every clips on your projects, I'm going to just go show you. So I'm going to go to filter. Let's say I want to add this filter right here and also this color adjustment. Okay, this is just an example. After that, I'm going to click on a check icon. So you can see now that the filter and also the color adjustment only apply to one of the clips, and to make it apply to all of your edits or clips, just drag the adjustment, the color grading, to the right like this so that it can be applied to all of your clips. Okay, so just like that, it will be applied like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.